The maintenance is divided into these intervals. The daily procedure is as follows. Before starting the incinerator, open the doors and clean the combustion chamber for all ash and slag. Special attention should be paid to the internal air inlets in the bottom corners. Perform a general inspection of possible leakage on the pumps and oil pipes. Special attention should be paid to the shaft seals. The weekly procedure is as follows. The photoresistor must be cleaned. Slag and coke on the inside refractory wall opposite of the burner must be cleaned. Check the blast tube on the burner and clean for possible slag and coke. The monthly procedure is as follows. Check the refractory lining. Check the flue gas fan V-belt transmission. Clean the blast tube, flame scrod, and diesel nozzles. Clean the sludge burner. The 6-monthly procedure is as follows. Clean the diesel oil filters. Inspect the sludge dosage pump rotor and stator. The grease in the bearing housings must be replaced. Check thermocouples. Lubricate the hinges on all doors. Lubricate the sluice bearings. The yearly procedure is as follows. Check the paintwork. Test of alarms and control systems. Oil nozzles must be replaced.